Hey, it's Dina Colada, and today I'm going to show you how to access Divi using elegant themes and install it into your WordPress dashboard. Now, it's pretty easy to do. You'll need an account for elegant themes first, so if you don't have that yet, I have a link in the description below. You can click on that. It's super affordable. You can get it for a lifetime or a yearly contract. I would go for the lifetime because it's a one-time deal. You'll have access to all of Elegant Themes, different themes and templates for your lifetime. So after you log into your account, you want to go to the Divi. You can learn about Divi, see the live builder, and I'm going to actually click on this purple button that says Download Divi Theme. So that's going to actually install it into my downloads folder, and I'll click on that and open up the zip drive file. Then I'm going to hop over to my WordPress site. Now, if you don't have a WordPress site yet, you'll have to buy your .com, and I'll also have a link in the description below for hosting and where you can buy your domain name. I like to use SiteGround. They have really great customer support, and it's affordable. And they have very fast site speed for the hosting. Very fast hosting, I mean. Okay, so we're here in the dashboard of WordPress. This is what it looks like. If you're not on this page, you can go on the top left, click Dashboard, and that'll bring you here. And then what we're going to do is go to Appearance, and then click Themes. Now, I already have Divi installed, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add it in there. You can click Add New, and then you're simply going to click Upload Theme and choose the Divi from your downloads file. Okay, so in your downloads folder, you're going to want to actually click onto the Divi zip drive and click Install Now. You'll click onto the Divi zip file and upload that into your WordPress dashboard. And that's going to take a little time to install. It won't be that long. Okay, that just took a few seconds. It's unpacking the package. Oh, okay. I see the problem. It says the theme installation failed. That's because I already have it installed. So you shouldn't have that problem with your site. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to customize it using some of their pre-made layout packs, which are super easy to use, and they have tons of different styles for different industries. So I'm going to just go to Pages and click Add New. And I'm going to click Use Divi Builder. And this is where it's going to pop up a bunch of the layout packs you can choose from. Excellent. You can build it from scratch, what you want to do. If you like to do that, you can clone an existing page. But if you have a brand new website, I would just go to Choose Pre-Made Layout and browse the layouts, and you can see all of the different designs they have available. Now, I love it because they have landing pages, home pages, about me pages, all kinds of different choices. So you can scroll through and see there's for yoga, photos, travel agencies, flower shops, pottery. It's just so cool how many different designs they have. So I'm actually going to go ahead and click this fashion layout pack, even though it's not a fashion website. But I like it because it looks simple. It has a few different elements that I really like. Let's check out the About page. You can see what that looks like. There's a blog page, contact page. Now I'm actually going to build a one-page website because I have so many different businesses and a lot of it is wrapped around my name, Dina Colada. And I'm starting to, when somebody searches my name, if they're searching for my dating blog, or if they're searching for my copywriting blog or my digital marketing blog, then who knows where they're going to end up, because they might not type in the full business name. Okay, I'm going to check out the landing page here. And I think I'm going to go for that because it looks like it's got a lot of flexibility already built into the design. So I'm going to click use this layout, and it's going to take a minute to import here into the WordPress. I'm pretty excited to have this started, and you can actually follow me and watch how simple it is to build your own website. And you're going to have a lot of fun scrolling through all the layout packs and seeing and you can actually change the colors, you can change the fonts, so everything with your brand stays on point. All right, it's almost ready to go. Okay, here we go. This is the front end builder, what it looks like. And I'll show you how you can change some of these pretty easily. I'm actually going to click, let's see. Let's actually go over to the over here to the dashboard. It'll have your name, and you can just click on dashboard. So I'm going to actually save that because I want to save this as my home page. And let's see, for Dina Colada, I want to go to, oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to go to Appearance and Customize. These are the steps I usually take when I'm first starting a brand new website. You can see I have the Divi theme here, general settings, the site identity. Let's see. I'm making up a word there. Dina Colada is a multipreneur. This is where, wait, Dina Colada is a multipreneur. Okay, so I'm gonna change the image here, and I want to change it to, we'll change it to this one here. I'm gonna make that my logo. And crop the image, and that can be my favicon, that can be my logo. That'll be in my branding. So let's click the arrow back. Let's go to layout settings. I'm going to leave everything how it is because I think the Divi team does a great job of making things look really good anyway. And I'm actually keeping my fonts. This is the area where you can change your fonts and your body, your link colors, the body text color, and I like the dancing script and the Montserrat for my fonts. And let's see, I'll go ahead and make the header font bold also. And let's click publish so that all saves. And then we're going to click the back arrow here and then go to the background. And you can change your colors here to your branded colors. I'm going to leave these how they are because I've already set these up before. Okay, so header and navigation. Let's see, the header format. We're going to keep it horizontal with the navigation. I'm just going to keep things how they are already. And these are the colors I picked for my background, my text colors, the drop-down menus, and all of that stuff. So that's where you can choose all of yours. Oops, I need to go back to Appearance and Customize. I backed that up by accident. Okay, we're going to check the footer. Or actually, I want to go back to header navigation. Primary menu bar. Okay, we did that already. Secondary menu bar. I think all of that is just going to stay how it's set up already. Now let's check the footer and the layout. I'm going to leave that alone for now too. Footer elements. We can show the social icons. I'm going to go ahead and leave those. Let's see what happens when I click on those. Not much. Okay, footer menu. We're going to leave those. Oh, let's see. We're going to actually choose this to be my branded font color. And click publish. And go back, and you can change any of those that you like. I'm going to leave all of that the same. Let's go to the buttons. Button style, text color, border color, all right, so we're going to just leave all of that how it is right now. And let's click the back button again. We're going to go to blog, post. We're going to just leave everything as it is. I think everything looks pretty good right now. Let's go back down to mobile styles, tablet. I'm pretty sure everything's going to already be spaced, so Elegant Themes Divi is mobile friendly. You can see how your website's going to look on mobile, tablet, or computer. And here is where you'll pick your color schemes. Let's see. Color settings set above should be applied to the default color scheme. I'm just going to leave that for now, but you can change those if you want. Well, let's see, create new menu. Oh, we need to add links to that. Let's Dina's menu, and then we'll click publish. Okay. And we also need to click primary menu. And I'm going to take that apostrophe out of there because it looks weird right here. It has some weird code. So let's click next and check that out. Then click publish. Okay, I'm going to actually click this button here that says automatically add new top level pages to this menu. I think that's a good move. And click publish. Okay, we're going to X out of this. So then we're going to go back to appearance and customize. Okay, we've gone to menus. Let's look at widgets. Sidebar. The sidebar. I'm actually going to remove the sidebar. I don't really need that for this website. But that's where if you're going to do advertising, I am going to leave the search bar here in case somebody wants to search the site. No, I'm actually going to take it out because I am not going to need that sidebar because this is going to be a one-page website. Okay, footer area, let's check that out. Going to remove the archives. I'm going to just remove all of these menu tabs here. All right, we don't need any of that. At least I don't. All right, we'll go back, click the arrow back again, homepage settings, and let's scope that out. My homepage, you can choose latest post, would be if you have a blog. And I'm going to choose a static page. That's just a regular web page that isn't updated when you put a blog post up. So if you have a blog and you want to feature your articles on your front page, then you would click your latest post. So I'm going to click a static page. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And we'll click this back arrow button again. Additional CSS is where you would put code in there to add any like your Google Analytics tag and that kind of, there's different codes you could put in there. Actually not your Google Analytics tag. Okay, so I think we have all of the back end stuff done already. And now what we're going to do next is I like to use Yoast SEO for all of my SEO in WordPress. Now if you're using Kajabi or WooCommerce or some other different type of platform, Yoast isn't going to work for you. So that's where you would actually set up your meta description and that kind of stuff. So I think that's going to be for a different video. So we're actually going to go and create a new page. So pages, let's go to all pages since we already started that home page. Let's see, I think we can go ahead and trash all of these extra pages. Okay, so what we're going to do from here is go to pages and click add new. Okay, let's go to browse new layouts. And we're going to pick a pre-made layout. You can pick out whatever pack that you like the best, whichever one fits your brand, and they're pretty customizable with the fonts and colors and everything. So I'm going to go for pre-made layout and click this, choose this layout. And it takes about a minute to import from Elegant Themes into your WordPress dashboard. And I would pause this, but if you're building your one-page website with me, then it works out great. All right, so let's see what we've got. Okay, we're actually going to start from scratch on the landing page I've chosen. I'm going to show you how fast you can crank out a website, one-page site. I'm going to take this picture here and click the little gear in the gray box. And then I can scroll down to this other gray gear. And I can actually change the picture with my headshot there. If it's not in there, you can upload it from your computer and click the check mark. So here I'm going to delete this and write Dina Colada. And then I'm going to write a little bit of copy here. So you can delete it straight here, or you can do it in this text setting box. And that's all I'm going to write for now. Keep it pretty simple. This view more, I'm actually going to dump that in the trash can because we don't really, I don't want to, oh, actually I'm going to leave it there. I might turn that into a button to go somewhere eventually. And then here I'm going to click the picture, the little gear above the photo. And I'm going to change the image to a different image. So you'll click the gear in the photo area, click Upload Files. I'm going to go to the download section and I'm going to click my copywriting check logo. And we'll see how that looks. And I'm going to use a description in the alt tag too. So if somebody's trying to find Dina Colada copywriter in Google, that will help Google spiders find my words in my image, and click Upload Image. Now that picture doesn't look so great. It's kind of small for this little box. But I'm going to go ahead and add a link in. Even though it doesn't look perfect, I can change this later. And I'm going to cut and paste the link from my website, Copywriting Chick. And then you can simply scroll link and you can link to that image. On the background, let's see the background. Let's see if we can change that. We'll make that pink, or let's see some other color. Boy, that's really ugly. Okay, I can't leave that. I can't leave this picture because it looks terrible. I'm going to change that picture out again. And I'm going to put a different picture here. And click Upload Image. So there's a picture of me and the link. I'll check that, and it still says Copywriting Chick Portfolio. And let's see, let's change this background here. We'll scroll down, click Background. Let's see what other colors we can choose. I guess I'm just going to leave that for now. It doesn't seem like that's changing what I want it to change. And I'm going to click Direct Response Copywriter as the title there. And I'll delete all of this filler copy. We'll click on this Content tab here. Okay, we're going to delete some of this copy and put in Dina. And just write a little bit of copy here. Okay, we're keeping this very basic. I'll go in and do SEO and write more copy, so that's going to help my website in search. Okay, so I'm a direct response copywriter. Let's go here, and I'm going to put a link to, I'm going to write dating coach. And we're going to add Life Dating Love here. That's my dating coach blogger website. And we'll connect all these together. Sometimes it's a little tweaky, but we can always figure it out. So then I want to change this body copy as well. And talk a little bit about my website, Life Dating Love. So then we will actually click this View More button here and click the Settings tab. And we want to have that go to the actual website. We'll click lifedatinglove.com. So in this area here, we can click the gear again, click the gear in this section, and we can upload a picture of maybe a happy couple. Let's see if I have any pictures like that. I've been trying to delete my computer out, and I delete images and videos and then they just reappear somehow into my computer. So it's been a challenge to get my videos out there for you guys. Oh, here we go. We're going to just grab the Life Dating Love logo and see how that looks. It might be too small. And I'll put a little description in the alt tag. And click upload. Okay, and we'll click the check mark here. Doesn't look pretty, but it works. But you guys can see how simple it really is to make a website in less than an hour. You could probably do it in about 30 minutes. Oh, you know what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to change this picture here to my free ebook that I offer on Life Dating Love. Or let's click upload files. There, we'll put the image of my book cover there. Okay, that looks a little better. It's still not perfect, but it works, right? So down here, my other business is Dina Colada's Cafe. I'm going to check out my spelling there, and let's change this picture here using the little gear again. Click upload file, and we will put my logo there for my business. And you can actually put a link here so the picture will be clickable. So I want to go to Facebook and go to my pages. And then I can snag my URL here. So you can put a link here that will make the image clickable, and that will go to my Facebook page. Another thing you can do, we'll click, let's see. You can put the link here too. And then in this and you can also put a link in this button. So you'll click the button, click the settings gear, click link, and paste the link into that. It's good to put links in different areas because some people are used to clicking buttons. Some people are very visual. People like clicking on the pictures, but some people might not know you can click on the picture. You can actually also put anchor text inside of the copy. All you'll need to do is to highlight some words and this little gray box pops up and there's a link logo. You can click on that link and paste the link in right there. Hit enter and there you go. You've got a live link in your words, on your button, and in your picture. So let's do one more. So I want to go back to Facebook, to my pages, and I want to go to Dina Colada's face paint. And I'm going to save this image. Okay, X out of that page. I'm going to highlight that URL also. Then we'll go back to the visual builder. And we're going to put a link to the face painting there. We're going to change this image by clicking the little gear symbol again and click Upload Files and select Files. And let's pick the Dina Colada face paint. So you guys get to see a little bit of the things that I do. It's a lot. All right, the design, everything, we're just going to leave it how it is right now. So we're going to highlight this Facebook page here, click the link, put the URL and hit return. And there's a live link there. And we'll also put a link in this button as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save Draft. So I'm going to stop here and you guys can see how simple it really is to make a one-page website. This isn't perfect, but I'm going to go back and make things a lot better and add some more content to my site. But I'm so excited for you to add your website in using Elegant Themes Divi theme. And hopefully you'll click on the links in my description, and that way I can still create free videos for you to watch and learn from. And I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please click like and put a link to your new website in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you've come up with.